Happy Constitution Day, my friends, on behalf of Kingmaker's Eyes Academy. I'm Madhavi here to talk about the fundamental rights of the Constitution. It's there in the part 3 from Article 12 to 35. So, what is this fundamental rights? Every human has a rights, and there are certain rights which are fundamental for every human being. And there, India, being a democratic country, has enabled these rights to restrict the oppression of the state and also to enable individual to develop oneself by using opportunities that are available and also realize that every human beings are equal and there should not be untouchability or any discrimination, and also he has rights as an individual as well as community. So every action of the state now has been looked through the prism of fundamental rights. So the constitution makers have been very clever to make certain rights as fundamental and also has left the judicial role to review those constitution and to enable the constitution to provide fundamental rights to each and every individual as well as the community. So we now celebrate right to privacy, right to information, even right to sleep, which is interpreted by the judiciary through the judicial review, which is itself given in Article 13. So from 12, which defines state, 13, which tells what is a law and how the law should be looked through the prism of fundamental rights and should be reviewed to protect the fundamental rights, and the law should not abrogate any rights. So we have this 12 to 35 talking about the fundamental rights, and Article 32 especially gives rights to each and every individual to approach the court to contest if there is any violation of these rights. So these rights are very, very important, and our generation has to uh, use these rights and also realize there are some fundamental beauty as well. So fundamental rights basically gives every rights to individual to enable further their development as well as the country's development. It is also important, the fundamental rights is not just for individual, it is for the cooperation of the entire society. Thank you.